Welcome to Computer Education Unlocked channel. Today's video will teach how to dual boot Windows 11 and Deepin OS together. Deepin OS is based on Arch Linux. Its user interface is excellent. All kinds of Linux-based application software support it very well, so it has become very popular. Let's start the video. Windows key plus R to open run. Type disk mgmt.msc to open disk management. Split some space from the C drive. Right-click on the C drive, go to Shrink Volume. You can give the partition size according to your needs. Shrink. Restart computer. Deepin OS ISO download. I will open the first website. Click on Download and Help. Click to ISO download. Here are 4 download links. It can download from anyone. I am downloading ISO file from Google Drive link. Download anyway. It will take some time to complete the download. Ventoy download. I will open the first website. Ventoy Windows Zip. Ventoy Windows Zip. Click to download. Extract the zip file. Open the Ventoy tool by running as administrator. Go to option. Partition style, MBR or GPT. Partition configuration, NTFS. OK. Install. Yes. It will take some time. OK. Copy the ISO file and paste it in the pen drive. Select your language. I have read and agree to the agreement. Next. Go to Advanced option. Select Unallocated space. Click the right corner of the unallocated space. Create new partition. File system ext4. Mount point root. Click to create. OK. Next. Continue. Installation start. It takes a while. Reboot now. Select your language. I have read and agree to the agreement. Next. Select your language. Next. Select your time zone. Next. Create username and password. Click Next. In boot menu, first option for starting Deepin OS. Windows recovery environment for starting Windows 11. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.